In this session, we're going to roll out a slab and cut a 4-inch tile. I'm tapping the clay with a rolling pin to flatten it out a bit before I roll it. I'm rotating the clay a bit in order to spread it out evenly. Now we're ready to roll the clay out. In our studio, we use different sized dowels in order to control the thickness of the clay and keep it even. The red-ended dowels are 3/8 of an inch thick, and the green-ended dowels are 1/4 of an inch thick. For this tile, I'm going to be rolling it to 3/8 of an inch, so I'll use the red dowels. It's important to keep the rolling pin on the dowels as you roll in order to get an even thickness throughout. To roll out a slab, stand up and push the rolling pin away from you, rolling it against the guides. If you're standing, you'll be putting your body weight into the clay, helping it to spread out more easily. Try to keep the rolling pin moving one direction away from you and rotate the clay to help keep spreading the clay out evenly and getting to the desired thickness you're looking for. Rolling the rolling pin back and forth in one place is only going to move the clay back and forth. It's not going to spread out the clay and make it get any thinner. Now that we rolled out our slab to 3/8 thickness, we're going to use some templates to help us cut an even 4-inch tile. Carefully place your template onto the slab, and using a sharp knife or a fettling knife like this one, trace along the edge of your template. Cut all 4 sides evenly, making sure to make precise cuts. With all 4 sides evenly cut, you can peel away the excess clay and take off the template. Now we just want to even out the edges and clean up our tile a little bit before we store it. To finish up our tile, we're going to clean it up a little bit using a rib tool. Gently take a rib tool and rub it along your clay in order to smooth out the surface. Don't forget about the back side. We want every side of it to be nice and smooth. Lastly, I'm just going to go over this one time with a damp sponge in order to remove any imperfections. We're going to store these in an open bag overnight on a piece of cardboard in order for it to reach the leather hard stage so we can transfer our drawing and then begin to carve.